So hello, Nikhil this side. This is the explanation video for the project. So this is the basic interface. So to connect with the MetaMask, just refresh or use this MetaMask button. Here I am connected with MetaMask. This is the mint function for the owner only, the owners of the smart contract. We just have to enter the units here and the address to which he want to mint, and it will mint. And the balance function is here to check the balance of any account. Enter the address, click balance, it will show the balance. Also, you can check your balance all the time. Here at the bottom, just refresh it and it will show your balance. And this is the main transfer function, transfer of credits. So if you want to transfer, like I'm transferring to my address only, transfer 100 units. So when the transfer is completed, it will show the transaction hash here, right next to this one, and block explorer link here. And one thing, that this project is deployed on Sapoli network. The transaction has completed, and here is the transaction hash, and here is the link to the block explorer. Just click the link, blue link button here, and you can see the explorer 27 seconds ago. Here is the link to the smart contract. Let's check it here. So I approached this problem with two approaches, two different approaches. First, I used int. Basically, the problem I had was the initial value of every account was supposed to be 1000, and that is not the case with default value. The default value is 0. So to deal with that, I created a internal mapping here, which maps every address to a balance of 0. Then created a balance of function. It shows a balance after adding 1000 to it, and since everything is being dealt with int, so we can easily transfer our tokens or our credits without any overflow problem. So this is the transfer function. So what it does, first checks whether the address you are transferring is address 0, or the amount is greater than 0, since it's int and the amount can be smaller than 0. And after that it updates the balance of the counts. And this is a mint function. It works similarly. It just checks first whether you are the owner of the contract or not. Then the other two requirements, that the address is valid and the amount is greater than 0. Then it updates the balance of that person. And the other approach was this. So basically, this usually the normal way, the more used way is to use uint. So I tried to use uint here, but the problem came of overflow. So I added a enroll function here. Basically, to use all these three mint, balance of transfer function, you need to enroll first in the system. Just have to click the enroll button, and you will get 1000 units in your balance. And only after that you can access all the other functions. So thank you.